Hello, classes. Uh, Here are the directions for the asynchronous lesson for session 12. There are 7 things that I want to go over with you in terms of what you need to do during this class session. As most of you have done, you have submitted to me your video professional development on Good to Great. If you have not submitted that into Moodle, there's a couple of you left. Make sure that you have done that. Even if you emailed it to me and I okayed it, make sure to submit it through Moodle. That way I can give credit for it in the grade book. So for where do we go from there? The next thing we need to do is to post the URL of your YouTube video in the wiki so that others can view that, which is going to be a major component of your class today. The directions on how to cut and paste the address of the professional development that is on YouTube is posted on the Moodle page in the area where you have to post it on the wiki. So if you haven't done that, it's pretty simple. But if you do that in Mozilla Firefox, you have to use the Control V command in order to paste. After you've done that, view and critique at least 5 of your classmates' professional development videos. You can do this over the next week. It doesn't have to be done all in one sitting, but do at least 5 of your classmates' professional development videos on YouTube. The format for your critiques is also on Moodle in the discussion area. So you will post your critiques of your classmates there. Make sure to label it so we know who's making the post. After you view and critique, the last step in this is to write me a note in the online text area in Moodle telling me which classmates' videos you viewed and critiqued. The last piece for us with this project for Good to Great is a forum question that I posted in the discussion area. In that area, I would like you to answer from the framework of an educational leader the following question. When is good enough? When is good not good enough? Again, let me repeat that. Think about this question as an educational leader. When is good not good enough? After you have worked on that reflection, I'd like you now to take some time to turn our attention to technology in schools. Obviously, it's becoming a bigger and bigger piece. Certainly iPads, the digital initiatives, one-on-one computing, all that is beginning to really gain traction in area schools. With that being said, I would like you to think about, if you would, the expanding role of technology and how we can best take advantage of technology's capacities in the teaching and learning environment. In order to first do that, I'd like you to, within the framework of what you've been doing with the professional development project for Good to Great, and also from any other experiences that you've had around instructional technology and teaching and learning, I'd like you to view the TED Talk by Sir Ken Robinson on creativity. Think about, as you view this TED Talk, the idea of technology as a catalyst for creativity in schools. Obviously, if you think about it, you have been using technology over the past week to be creative, to create something. How can that be passed on to the teaching and learning environment in which we are involved? After you have viewed Sir Ken Robinson's TED Talk and you've reflected on this to some degree, post on the discussion board your thoughts on technology as it is outlined on the Moodle page. Keep in mind that how can we use technology as a creative tool in teaching and learning rather than just another add-on. Lastly, for next week, there is an article that is posted in the Moodle area. It's entitled Teaching as Jazz. Please read that and be ready to discuss it at our next session. I'll see you next week.